According to advisor Steve Kramer, Kanye West has terminated his 2020 presidential bid just after 11 days of his shocking announcement on July 4th. He is out, Kramer told The Intelligencer quite simply. Running for president has to be one of the hardest things for someone to actually contemplate at that level. Kanye's apparent decision to end his campaign comes shortly after election analyst Neil Sroka told a news portal that he's got a lot of chance to win the 2020 race as extraterrestrial. Kanye announced he would join the presidential race in 2020 by tweeting, "We must now realize the promise of America by trusting God, unifying our vision, and building a future. I am running for president of the United States. #2020vision." However, he did not file any paperwork with the Federal Election Commission to formally make his leadership bid. Kanye faced major roadblocks to his bid. The deadline show up on the November 3rd ballot had already passed in 5 states at the time of his announcement. Kramer claimed Kanye was working with a team in Florida and South Carolina to get him on the candidate list. Kanye would have needed to collect signatures from 132,781 voters in Florida by July 15th, a task that was almost impossible. Without access to the ballot, he will have to start a write-in campaign, another challenging task. As Neil noted in an interview with the news portal, on a write-in campaign, no candidate has ever won the presidency. There are even 9 states where write-in is not permitted. Despite not filing with the FEC, Kanye doubled down in 4 hours of rambling interviews with Forbes about his presidential campaign. "If I win in 2020, then it was God's appointment," he told the publication.